If you're getting your estimates and your solar options include what they call a Tier 1 or a Tier 2 system, today we're going to explain the differences on this process, so stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us on social media at GoCleverEnergy or visit our website www.gocleverenergy.com. Okay, great, here we go. Basically, your solar system measures in watts that are installed. Just as a numeric example, 20 panels with 400 watts are 8,000 watt system size, or what is most commonly used to say an 8 kW system. So when your solar provider is offering you a system, make sure to understand what is the system size. This is very important because on the final step of interconnection with the utility company, some utilities, depending on the state and the company, may require additional documents to proceed with the swipe of the meter and the final interconnection process for your net metering. Typically, a utility company requests the homeowner a copy of the home insurance policy with a liability coverage of up to $1 million. Most of the home insurance policies include a liability coverage of $200,000 or $500,000 depending on the type of home, insurance policy, and home value. Some already have the liability coverage for more than $1 million. Make sure you make your consultation with a professional home insurance agent to get advice on this matter, because we have seen different options to accomplish this requirement, including umbrella policies and combined insurance policies. So why does the utility require this policy? It's very simple. It's all about risk coverage. Think about it. You will be installing an X number of watts on your home, and then you will be connecting this system to the expensive grid. When the system is small, like below 12,000 watts or a 12 kW system, the utility doesn't require this liability coverage. But when the system is bigger, then it really represents a risk for the grid. So they want to make sure you as a homeowner are liable for any potential risks. It is very important to clarify that the line between the Tier 1 or the Tier 2 system changes between utility companies and states. So don't take the 12 kW as a red line. Just use it as a reference. Some companies determine Tier 1 systems when the number of watts is lower than 10,000 watts or 10 kW system. Some utilities determine Tier 1 system when the number of watts is lower than 11.2 or 100,200 watts. Ask your solar representative, where is the red line between the Tier 1 and the Tier 2 system in your specific location, to better understand what are your options. Thank you so much and see you next time.
Want to learn more? Visit GoCleverEnergy.com today and see how the sun can provide you savings.